Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add job preferences to your profile on the Indeed Jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Profile, which is the third option. Then you should scroll down until you find the Improve Your Job Matches section, and within this section, click on the Job Preferences button. As you scroll down, you can add your preferences in terms of job title. Here you can type in your desired job title into this box. Click on the Done button and click on Save. Tap on Add More Preferences and you can add job types, work schedule, pay, relocation and remote. Specs as well. Here you can set the desired job types. Click onto the boxes and then scroll down and click on Save, and then you can proceed with the other preferences as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.